To create a Gmail account is very easy. First of all, you can go Google and add your first name as like in this video, first name and last name as you want. Now basic information, enter your date of birth, exact date of birth, um, May 22 and year is 1985. Now select the gender, male. Okay, now next create new account. Yes, next create a Gmail account. You can select anyone, Amisha. No, this is not available. You can add numbers. Okay, now you create a strong password, mix of letters, numbers and symbols, etc. So look at this. So viewers, it is very easy to sign in to Google account. Now you can enjoy all Google services.